Chris again. So there it goes, 1987 Buick Grand National. This thing is a beauty, guys. Super clean, one of the kind. I mean, people that like old school cars, or they know about old school cars, they know what's the value in these cars, guys. Beautiful, super clean. It's been restored already. So far, that's what we know. That's what the customer told us, that car has been repainted and everything. But he, pretty much everything, you know, restored. He pretty much told me 10 years ago. So car's been garage and everything. So pretty much we're gonna keep customer wanna keep the clean look. So pretty much what we did 35% complete. This one we did our nano ceramic excel-irp. So this one with the 35% complete, custom shaped edges. You don't see no gaps on the edges. Completely custom shaped. But look at this, man. Super clean. Beautiful car. Oh, interior, complete car, man. I mean, this thing is immaculate. I mean, we know it's been restored, but I see another car being restored and they look the same. So there it goes. Completely done. You guys got any questions about window tint, paint protection, vinyl wraps, let us know. I'm gonna be making more videos. I got a few customers, they actually see the videos, and I'm pretty sure you guys are watching it, so we really appreciate the comments. I know they're really telling us to, you know, they're right to see videos, what I'm talking, explain about films. So I know I've been focused right now on the car, but our excel-irp, pretty much you get 63% heat rejection, 99% UV, and you get 87% infrared, guys. So really quick about nano ceramics, guys. Like I explained before, you see previous videos. I'm gonna try to link at different videos as well. There's a lot of different nano ceramics out there, guys. So whatever you choose, just making sure you get paid for it, making sure you know you're getting what you're paying for, and that's more than enough, guys. You need to understand at this moment right now too, because COVID and all the situations, inflation and stuff like that, prices went up, especially materials made in U.S.A. They're costing more, so our price is a little bit more higher compared to other companies. And the only reason why is just that, you know what I mean? We really buy, or we really purchase what we tell you we're gonna put in your car. Think about it. I mean, I see guys that are like, hey, look, you know, some guy from $300, he went, I can do it today for 150. Like, come on, for you it's not a red flag to see, like, he's kind of supposed to give you top of the line film, and then he drop it all the way to 150 because he's kind of slow right now. Just so you guys know, normally, you know, around this month, October, November, December, you know, this type of business slows down. So if you want to really take advantage of good deals, that will be the best time to do it, around this time. So right now ourselves, we're throwing the specials, but you know, it gets to a point that we cannot really lower materials too much because, you know, of course we need to still make money for the shop. We're the type of shop we want to be professional. When you guys walk in, you have a, you know, you see a nice shop, and all the stuff costs, you know what I mean? Of course, you know, you don't have to pay for it. You know, it's not your fault. I mean, if we want to look professionals, we have to make sure, you know, we give the professional look too, but at the same time with the quality, guys. So if you guys have any question, give us a call. Shop number is 909-570-9954. Thank you.